Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back yet again with another KodeKloud engineering task. Today we are in Linux. Our task for today is to install Ansible version 4.90 on jump hosts using pip3 only. Make sure the Ansible binary is available globally on the system, and all users on the system are capable of running Ansible commands. All right, so we are going to do sudo pip3 install Ansible equal 4.9.0. I need his password. All right, I'm gonna let this install, and I will be back when it's all finished. Hello and welcome back. As you can see, we are done installing Ansible. So the only thing left to do is to validate the task. So let's go ahead and do that. And there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I have more videos to come, so of course you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next one.